this first lesson is called one pager trading. It's your base of everything. So this is a really, really powerful way of plan. And let me tell you a story why this is such an important thing. Every trader I've been working with has come to me for some sort of psychological reason. They have a problem with the consistency or discipline or patience in their trading. But what happened with all these people, including myself, was as soon as the system was on place, the psychology didn't really matter anymore. Now we weren't getting stressed because we always knew where to take our TPs. We weren't getting stressed because we knew where the stop loss should be, and if it gets stopped, it's just not a good trade. We also knew exactly where our confluences are and how good the confluences are, so we know how to size our trades. And if you all have all these things, there's a lot of emotions that they just disappear because you have that systemized in your trading. And that's what makes it magical to have a really clear and structured system that's, yes, based on mechanical, but also allows for some intuition into your trading. So let's dive right into the one-page trading plan. Okay, so I'm going to show you how to do this, but first I want to tell you why you want to use this. So if you go in the description, you can get the one-page trading plan there, and you go to this page right here. Here's a one-page trading plan masterclass, but I want to just show you a little bit more what it is. So this is an example of a one-page trading plan. This is also an example of a one-page trading plan. And this is an example of a one-page trading plan. So you can do it in the way you want it to, but the most important thing is that it's on one page. We do this because it's so easy to journal your trades, to backtest, to know exactly what to do at any time. Hermosi usually says patience is just understanding what you need to do in the meantime. And if you create a good system, a really structured process, you will know exactly what to do at all times when you trade. And that's why we want to have a simple trading system, because then you can keep these things in mind. It's impossible. According to Miller's law, it's impossible for you to keep more than 7 things in the short-term memory at the same time. So the step one is just copy these things right here. Boom, put it onto a page, and you can see we've done that right here. So you have exact entry, you have your setup name, exact entry, signal bar close below signal bar, exact stop loss 1 point above signal bar, or if ATR is over 35, stop loss allowed 1 point above confirmation bar and not signal bar. And then you have exact take profit 2R unless there's an hourly level, take it there. And then you have some golden rules, which is the most important things for this trader that we built in real time, that we just built together. And then you have the A-rated setup. That's like the one that's the absolute best. You have a retest, hourly, 1 or 5 minute signal bar, confirmation close under signal bar, 2R. And then when you create these things right here, so you answer all the setup questions for every setup you have, and then you add your any extra rules, like any golden rules. For me, it's like maximum 1 hour loss per day. And also, I only take easy trades, like very simple trades to take. That's all I do. And then all you need to do is print out the page and then have it next to you while you trade. So start, and then from this, you build your journal. If you look at my journal videos, and we're also going to go through that in the 7-day series that we're doing right now. So you start tracking the trade, how well you executed it in relation to your one pager. So your one pager is your base of everything when it comes to your trading. And if you want to change something in your setup, you change your one pager. If you want to create more intuition into your trading, you put it into your one pager. When am I allowed to be intuitive with my trades? When am I allowed to trade up? When should I trade smaller size? You put all of this into your one page trading plan. So that is how it works. And you can also build it like this. Is the 5 minute 55 EMA trending? No. Okay, skip trade. Is 5 minutes less than 50 minutes away, which is overextension? No. Check rest of yes boxes. If rest are yes, then take B size. As you can see, so it's just a no, yes, no, yes, no. And if everything is yes, that's the A trade. 5 minute signal, 1 minute confirmation, and you take it full size. So you can build it as a flow chart, or you can build it as picture like this, or I have it just in a simple way like this. I call mine deep fucking value, monthly income, and reversal. And monthly income and deep fucking value is kind of the same trade. And that's just the way I do. That's just the way I just read this once a day or until it's stuck and you know it completely. I also like to do it after a weekend. I really like to read it. But if you just started your one page trading plan, you watch it every day and you have it next to you while you trade. So when you're about to enter a deep fucking value, you see first, okay, signal is 5 minute signal candle. Okay, entry is second best entry. So then we go to a monthly income. So the entry is break of candle high, which is the signal candle high. And again, this is just so it has to make sense for you. Have to make sense for me. It's just have to make sense for you. And then I put my TP 1 to 1, 2 to 1, and stop loss 1 point under signal bar. That's my trade, and I'm done. It's good. So as soon as I have my A setup stuff or my B setup, I don't take the B setup, and I just don't take those trades. But I just take A setups, And when that triggers, I just look at the entry, I look at the stop loss, I look at the TP, and I put them up, and then I'm done. And I just take my hands away and we're done. So this is a really, really powerful way. And yeah, I mean, there's no one that I work with that doesn't, they're not forced to do this thing because it's extremely important. And of course, we do it with the clients sometimes because I guess the problem is that many people just don't have a system, and they think they have a system, they have a strategy, but they don't really know when to enter. They don't, it's just like it's a feeling rather than something put on a paper. And that's why you want to put it on the paper, because you want some structure on it. So that's the first lesson. And now you know how to build your one-page trading plan and how to have just a more structured way of trading. And I'm going to go through in the coming videos with the journaling, with the mindset, with how to trade your one-page trading plan.